This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Crystal Coffee. Beautiful 1.5-story brick condo with lovely archways and an open floor plan. The living room features a cathedral ceiling and a fireplace. The kitchen has double ovens, a glass top stove, a microwave and a pantry. There are 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms downstairs. There is a separate dining area and an area that can be used as a sunroom or a breakfast room. Upstairs there is a 4th bedroom or a bonus room/office space with its own bathroom. The laundry room has plenty of storage with shelves, cabinets and a utility sink. The garage is oversized with lots of shelves and cabinets. The home also has an instant tankless hot water heater. Outside you will find a screened-in porch and a patio. Buyer to verify all square footage and measurements. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal Coffee at 865-584-4000.